Namaskar, I am the welcomes in its daily weather briefing program. Today is 9th May. If we see today's highlights, so mainly two highlights we have mentioned here, that heat wave conditions likely to continue to prevail over western parts of Rajasthan today and tomorrow, and there is a likely of abatement of the heat wave conditions from West Rajasthan thereafter. And second point related to the bad spell accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds and isolated hailstorm activity likely to continue over central, east and south peninsular India till 12th of May. So these are two highlights. And if we see yesterday's realized weather, so because of intense thunderstorm activity, this region of east parts of the country, Uttar Pradesh and adjoining regions reported a maximum temperature below normal. Accordingly, we can say that hailstorm activity reported over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, eastern parts of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha region yesterday. Heavy rainfall with thunderstorm also reported over Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Bihar region. And gusty wind also reported over some of the states like Chhattisgarh, West Madhya Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Sagar, this Karnataka, Telangana, Odisha, Jharkhand, Gangetic, West Bengal and Bihar yesterday of the order of 50 to 60 kmph. We have listed here some of the gusty winds reported under influence of intense thunderstorm. And heavy rainfall, I have already mentioned, and heat wave conditions also reported at some pockets over western parts of Rajasthan, where maximum temperature exceeds maximum temperature by 45 degrees Celsius. If you see the maximum temperature scenario, so they are in the range of 40 to 45 over western parts of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and interior Maharashtra, and they are either normal or above normal by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. And these pockets, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, eastern parts of the country and adjoining central parts of the country, where because of intense thunderstorm activity, maximum temperature are being reported below normal category, and above normal temperatures also reported over Kerala and adjoining Tamil Nadu region. So these are the today's prevailing synoptic system. So we are having one cyclone circulation over northeast Assam, another over east Bangladesh, one cyclone circulation over the Maharashtra, another over northeast Rajasthan and over northwest Rajasthan. There is a cyclone circulation over northeast Arabian Sea. There is a trough runs from northwest Rajasthan to western parts of Vidarbha. Another trough runs from Madhya Maharashtra to south interior Karnataka. One trough runs from east Assam to north Odisha. So under the influence of these favorable synoptic system, thunderstorm activity is expected to continue over central, east, south peninsular India during the next 4 or 5 days. So we can now see weather warning for next 5 days. Orange color is given to Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Marathwada and Bihar region for intense thunderstorm activity and accompanied with thunderstorm, hailstorm, lightning, gusty wind. It speed reaching 50 to 60 kmph occasionally, and heavy rainfall also expected over Gangetic West Bengal today with the high wind speed of the order of 50 to 60 kmph. And Odisha is also likely to witness heavy rainfall today in connection with thunderstorm activity today evening and today night, and heavy rainfall also expected over south interior Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala in the presence of thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind activity. So in summary, we can say that central parts of the country, eastern parts of the country and south peninsular India are likely to witness thunderstorm activity with intense spell of rainfall during today evening and today night. If we see current images of radar of Nagpur, Patna, Kolkata, intense thunderstorm activity is going on over eastern parts of Vidarbha, northern parts of the Telangana, south parts of Chhattisgarh, southeast part of Madhya Pradesh and over Gangetic West Bengal, south part of Gangetic West Bengal and Bihar region. This is likely to continue tomorrow also. So accordingly, orange color is continue for hailstorm activity and gusty winds of the order of 50 to 60 kmph over Madhya Pradesh region, and orange color is also given to the pockets of Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal. Otherwise, heavy rainfall is expected over Gangetic West Bengal and Odisha region tomorrow, and the activity of thunderstorm likely to continue over these regions shown by yellow color here. The storm with the strong gusty winds and lightning is also expected over Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and adjoining regions tomorrow, and remaining parts of northwest India including Uttarakhand likely to witness thunderstorm activity and hailstorm activity likely over Uttarakhand during the next 5 days, and strong winds of the order of 50 to 60 kmph also likely over Uttarakhand during the next 5 days. In summary, by seeing these graphs, we can see that thunderstorm activity is expected to continue over central, east and south peninsular India during next 3-4 days at least till 12th of May, and heat wave conditions likely to experience by West Rajasthan today and tomorrow, and thereafter there is a likely of degrees of heat wave condition thereafter. And accordingly we are regularly updating our weather warning and bulletins on our Facebook and X pages regularly. You can visit those pages, and this is the rainfall distribution. From this you can see that only western parts of the country, otherwise most parts of the country likely to experience thunderstorm activity during next 3-4 days. So this is update for today, and one request from IMD that during thunderstorm and lightning and gust events, general public is requested be aware, and during lightning don't go to lakes or rivers and go away from the water bodies, and also don't go inside the any tree or like that. Go only safer places where lightning and gusty wind can save you. So this is all about today's briefing. We'll update tomorrow. Till then, namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.